Hey guys, welcome to the new video. As you've seen in the previous videos, you know that Abby is finally in Switzerland with me, and it's almost a week ago that she landed, so we had a lot of adventures which we are gonna cover in our vlogs. Unfortunately, Abby is not feeling well today, so she's taking a rest and I'm doing the vlogs today myself. But she will be here in the next vlogs and you will see her in the video. So this vlog is from last week, and yeah, I'd say let's get started. So first thing we did, we went shopping. We had a little hike just around my town. It was the first day she was here, so we were just checking it out and I would show her everything, and she really liked the views and we made so many pictures together. And she really likes Switzerland. I'm gonna be a bit more quiet so she can rest. She loved the church and the flowers. She got mad because the flowers are not in the Philippines. So yeah, we walked around like 2 hours before we reached the shopping mall, which would just be a walk of 10 minutes. And really, we walked all over town. We saw ponies, really cute. She liked them so much. And yeah, here we are then in the shopping mall. Cherries, which she's never seen. Also like the apricots. Yeah, she's just never seen them, so we make pictures.
Oh. Every meat is like that. Yeah, they don't have a fresh meat. This is fresh meat.
No, we have fresh.
Really?
Yeah.
Really? Like they just butcher the pig? Okay. But these are all processed meat?
Yeah. Do you want some burger?
I don't know. Do you wanna? I know Carl will be crazy about this patties. She wished it has in the Philippines.
Okay, and then we went to Zug. It's the main city in my region. Not too big, not too small. Of course, for Abby it's very small. Manila has 24 million residents, and Zug has maybe, what, 40,000? But yeah, we took the bus. It took like 20 minutes to get there. But we enjoyed the ride together. We had some good views. It was a lot of fun. And Abby absolutely adores lavender, so you'll see that a lot. We also brought some seeds.
It's so beautiful.
Here we will watch the festival.
Really?
Yeah.
On the 21st?
25th.
25th. It is where like the airplane.
Over the lake.
What's your back again? It's really big.
They have a lot of things. Here we just walk a bit around the city. We went to visit my mom's grave so Abby can meet her. It was important for her to do that quickly when she got here, and for me of course too. So we walked around town, checked everything out. It's walking through the old town, seeing cathedrals, because Abby was absolutely mesmerized by buildings. And yeah, the weather when we went it was good, then it was raining, then it was good again.
It has something like that too, right?
Yeah, we got soaking wet because just before we went, it started to rain so hard again. Here it didn't rain yet, but you can see it's very gloomy.
Yeah, he's just showing me around on his city, and we're doing some hike to go to a very special person in Mark's heart. We're going to visit her, so bye.
This when we went to visit my mom's grave. Visited the church on the way. And yeah, we had a really good view. It was a very nice walk. Here is just after the first rain, before the second one. You can see already on the lake it's very, yeah, it's very rainy, but it was very beautiful to walk there. We made tons of pictures, which of course you're not gonna see it all because we made like 700 pictures on this day alone. And then we went to Ham, just in the evening. And it started to clear up again, luckily, so it was not raining anymore. We had the right time, we went a bit around. Didn't make so many pictures, but here we are on the way back home again. And yeah, that's already it. This was the first day, and we had a lot of fun. Abby got a bit sick in the evening again. You'll see that in another video again. And it was great. We walked all day, so we were really tired. But yes, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next vlog, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell and click like, leave a comment about what you like, what you want to see. There's a ton more to come. We can't fit in our schedule to edit videos and do all the things, so it's gonna take some time. But thanks for watching.